we are creating hope in the Scottish Borders Action Plan. We spoke with a lot of partners, with key stakeholders. We also spoke to members of the public about what a mentally healthy community or a suicide safer community, what that looks like for them.
My son Andrew was 15 when he took his own life. I'm part of the After a Suicide working group. The people that are there, they really do understand what you're going through.
It's such a tight-knit community that people do tend to pull together.
It was good that we could all sort of be involved and get the strategy going forward. There's a lot of young men who don't ask for help. It's a big rugby area and big rugby players don't ask for help.
Quarriers Resilience for Wellbeing is a school-based service that provides emotional and mental health support. They recognised that there was a gap in provision for typically 16 to 18-year-old males. The evidence was there was still having struggles or issues and challenges to do with their mental and emotional health. One of the avenues to address that was through sport, working directly with community rugby clubs to normalise accessing support for your mental health and well-being.
I'm a peer support worker with the community mental health team. I was brought in specifically to bring hope. I think it's fabulous the way it's been recognised that people that do have lived experience of mental health have got something to offer in the recovery of others.
We have a local mental health and suicide prevention steering group, and this is made up of a number of partners. It's not just down to one organisation or a group of individuals. This work is really important for us all to come together to all help sort of create hope.
The garden, it's a space of acceptance. It's a safe space. There's always watering, there's always weeding, sweeping. We quite often have a craft activity.
One of the really positive outcomes from the project has been that actually the development officers who work closely with the players, they're now saying that they feel more confident. When they maybe notice that a player's behaviour has changed or they're not as at training as often, they check in with that individual and they now have that confidence and capacity to do that.
When you can say that you've been where they are, I don't know, it's worth 1,000 words, isn't it? It's real, and I'm real.